I am start work on this baby, and we need to swap the engine. Just like I start the extract all fluids. What is still there is like, I'm sure no engine oil, right, at all. It's already extract by itself. And
engine oil is optional.
I think it's some couple of the liter. I'm sure we can fire up this car, but I don't want like
I don't want to clean up the floor.
Yeah. Coolant is still there, AC and few more stuff, and pull apart to install this guy. Okay, let's start. Looks like Jedi.
No. Try again.
Okay, this is just a moment of the joke. Okay. Before we start talk about this McLaren, let's check what happens with the 488. Yesterday we spent a lot of time. I mean, a lot of like 3, 4, 5 hours. First, we try to figure out what's going on with this car because no boost and lip mod. Just car left from service and then pump, no boost. What we done? We replaced boost controller solenoid. We have a trouble code about the boost controller solenoid and some like we think, okay, problem with the boost controller solenoid, but we're not going to hard way. We just first try to check like easy step, like check the boost, check the all parameters, and we see from one side of the engine the mass sensor, they shows like low flow, but another side shows good flow. And then blah 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 blah, we took off the pipe from turbos, and one side of the turbos still blowing air, but the other one nothing. And here is what happens. And we already took out the one turbos from this side, from passenger side. You can see no turbos. And no turbos, no turbos, no turbos. Here is how it looks. Engine without turbos. But the funniest things, go this side, jump to this side. Yeah, see, spinning. Oops.
Something wrong. Something is not spinning.
Ooh, you see, it's a 1 psi pressure already. Go to this way. See, it's going.
There we go.
Well, the shaft is broken half and no boost. Okay, here is the one thing. It's a good thing. The turbos didn't damage any part of this car, any part of this engine, because sometime when the shaft is broken, or it's like mostly the cold side flying and start make some mess inside cylinder, and sometimes it's likely stop in the intercooler, just like simple one, but sometimes they
bouncy
fly and damage many things. In this case, just like exhaust, the hot side is broken half and stuck. Now turbo replacement time, and we just like, it's original one, it's really expensive, and we sent to our favorite company, PureTurbo. They promise rebuild really fast these two turbos, and no any upgrade, no any bigger one. The owner wanna just original one. I mean, just like original hot and cold side, no any machine it, no more power, no more boost, just like keep that car stuck. Okay, and now is 7:20 time. engine bomb. We say many times that engine bada boom, but actually we didn't show what happens. This is most interesting. Then you can see a lot of oil over there and the rocks. Peekaboo. I see the piston and half connecting rod. Peekaboo. You can, yeah, right. You can see the connecting rod. Say hi. Yeah. Well, what I wanna say. Thank you, M Engineering, for getting more and more job to any shop. Yeah, that car is tuned, of course. This is, but one time somebody post about blow the stock engine. Exactly, always like 90% similar damage. Connecting rod fail and broken half and hit the cylinder block. Mostly this happens on tune car and mostly on low RPM, because the biggest torque at low RPM something around 3000 when the turbo starts spilling and they just no, yeah, that turbos is not that one is starts spilling and owner is really surprising. It's like, what, you just drove 30 miles per hour? And yeah, it's very important at low RPM, high gear. It's like, I think sixth on 7th gear, and she just like apply, he took the corner and just accelerate and bam. Never happens at high RPM over 4,000-5,000 because it's a less torque normally. And when we do the tune, we just reduce torque at low RPM. Reduce torque because this is that torque is kill engine and bend connecting rod and destroy the clutch. I mean, it's not funny. Sorry, it's not funny. It's expensive. Peekaboo. I'm engineering, please reduce torque because you still many happy customer complain about blowing engine at Facebook page. Our side just replace engine and
Next.
give key and next. Yeah, this is our plan, and also like we maintain, you can see our vlog about 720 engine replacement. That 720 we work little bit more than this car. We not plan to take out the fenders like this, the top stuff, because we don't need that 720. Just like we install the original downpipe, this is why we need replace take off the fenders. This one they have aftermarket and very easy to remove downpipe without touch any exhaust and fenders. Yeah, let's drain the all fluids, just like no oil again. I want to say no engine oil, just like coolant, the other stuff. Well, engine is almost out, and you can see, guys, we keep the fender, all body panels, because why? No reason. And now just like need little more lower. Oops, too fast. Let me. Almost. Let's move this guy. Well, engine is out. Already moved to working place. Here is the another engine. Here is the old engine. I swap the engine and hope everything is good. That engine what we bought is really good condition and it's low miles, and I hope no more any surprise. Ta-da! Car is already reassembled and ready to install the downpipe. We really don't want to concentrate and don't want to waste time, your time guys, to take a look, because we already done a couple of the vlogs about downpipe installation. But here is the downpipe. It's already wrapped and protected and ready to install on this Aventador 2013 and start shooting flame really soon. I continue work on McLaren. Engine is already. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look. Engine is already prepared before installation. Few things left. The cradle need install, and then car is going to this all together going to the McLaren. And I hope, I'm not sure today, but tomorrow we fire up and check how is the engine. But actually it looks good inside, outside, fresh and clean, and I hope the owner enjoyed this. It's beautiful boosted 712. Well, car is almost done. Why it's almost done? Because we need to check how is that exhaust, if this exhaust shooting flame or not. And took this car to test drive, make sure everything is good, no any issue. But now just like let's fire up and check how is that loud. Ilya, did you ready? You sure?
Sure.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's blow your ears. McLaren, it's almost done. Suspension, engine, just now it's need a bleed brake system, need to install the rear sway bar, and it's ready to go. I mean, it's not like ready to go. I need to fire up, fill all fluid. Engine oil is already filled. I don't want to fill coolant, because if engine is good, we can just fire up and leave for minute to make sure everything is good, and then fill another fluid. Like we need to adjust transmission fluid level, we need to fill the coolant, yeah, and the car going to test drive. But we have one more cool car came to German AutoHaus. What do you think, guys? Yeah, this is it looks beautiful, and I mean German AutoHaus and Japanese car, but yeah, sometimes we take care about our customer, his babies. And this RB28, it's full built by, you can see, by HKS. It's really nice and beautiful car. Came for replace this radiator and new exhaust muffler, titanium. Beautiful car, beautiful car, beautiful build, and iconic car. Well,
Final oil.
just like I fill the 5 liter for now, and then I want to fire up. So let me grab the rocks, and I want to fire up. Then added more. And but first I have to try.
First startup.
Yeah, hold on, I need to connect the battery. I hope no any surprise. Battery. Whoa.
She's alive.
She's alive. Okay, let's go. One more time. Please, no surprise. Yes, see battery 45 days. Well, breaking good. Again. Go. One more time. Nice. I think engine sits long time, just like need a 4 injector to fill our fuel system, because when we try we have some like spark, but whew. Subscribe, ring that bell, and see you next week.